Dashboards are powerful tools for visualizing data and gaining insights into various aspects of business performance. They provide interactive and intuitive interfaces for users to explore and analyze data. Here are the key components and features of SAC dashboards: interactive charts and graphs, smart insights, storytelling, predictive analysis, financial performance management, human resources analysis, sales and marketing analysis. Welcome to the Steel Manufacturing Operations Intelligence Dashboard. This dashboard provides a real-time and comprehensive view of production performance, cost efficiency, and planning accuracy across steel plants, process stages, and machine types. From production volume and yield to downtime and manufacturing cost, the dashboard helps organizations monitor operational health, control cost overruns, and improve manufacturing efficiency. We begin with a high-level overview of the most critical production KP is. The production volume currently stands at 1.48 million tons, providing a clear picture of total output across all plants. Next, capacity utilization is at 84.95%, helping teams understand how effectively available production capacity is being used. Yield is currently at 88.14%, highlighting how efficiently raw material is being converted into finished product. Moving on, throughput stands at 123 tons per hour, representing the speed at which production is moving through the process. Finally, downtime is measured at 5.41%, indicating the proportion of time production is halted due to unplanned stoppages. Together, these KPIs provide a strong foundation for evaluating production efficiency, operational risk, and manufacturing performance. Now, let's explore the visualizations that bring the production data to life. The production volume by plant chart highlights how output is distributed across plants such as JSW Dolvi, Rourkela Steel Plant, Vizag Steel Plant, Bhilai Steel Plant, and Tata Steel Jamshedpur. This helps organizations identify which plants are driving overall production. Next, the capacity utilization by machine type chart compares utilization across casting machines, conveyors, crushers, furnaces, and rolling machines, helping teams spot underused or overloaded equipment. The yield per product name chart breaks down yield performance across wire rods, TMT bars, steel plates, hot-rolled coil, and cold-rolled coil, supporting product-level quality and efficiency analysis. Moving on, the downtime per process stage chart flags stages such as the rolling mill with a high downtime alert, alongside the blast furnace and steel melting shop, enabling teams to act on the biggest bottlenecks first. Finally, the production volume trend chart tracks output across months and quarters, helping teams monitor production patterns and seasonal fluctuations over time. Filtering options allow users to customize the view by date, product name, and plant name to focus on the exact scope they need. With this page, organizations gain better visibility into production performance and operational bottlenecks. It enables proactive monitoring by identifying high downtime stages and underutilized machines early. It improves operational visibility across plants, products, and process stages using real-time insights. And it supports continuous production optimization by helping teams balance volume, yield, and equipment efficiency. Cost analysis and cost optimization page. Now let's move to the second page of the dashboard, the cost analysis and cost optimization page, focused on understanding what's driving manufacturing cost and where efficiency can be improved. We begin with the key financial KP is. The total production cost currently stands at $51,693 million, providing a clear picture of overall manufacturing spend. Next, cost per incurred per ton is at $35,000, helping teams understand the unit economics of production. The energy cost per ton stands at $3,000, highlighting the impact of energy consumption on overall cost. Moving on, raw material cost accounts for 76.56% of total cost, making it the single largest cost driver. You can clearly see what is the single largest expense by taking a simple look at the KPI. Finally, labor cost represents 6.70% of total cost, rounding out the major cost components. Together, these KPIs provide a focused view of cost exposure and manufacturing efficiency. Now, let's look at the detailed visualizations. The total production cost trend chart tracks overall cost movement over time, helping teams spot cost spikes as they happen. Next, The cost per ton by industry type chart compares unit cost across industry segments, supporting benchmarking and pricing decisions. The labor cost by machine type chart highlights which equipment categories, whether it is casting machines, conveyors, crushers, furnaces, and rolling machines, carry the highest labor cost, supporting workforce and automation planning. Finally, the energy cost per ton chart compares energy efficiency by city across various plant locations, helping teams identify where energy costs can be optimized. This page enables proactive cost control by highlighting the biggest cost drivers before they erode margins. It improves cost planning through visibility into energy, labor, and raw material cost by plant, machine, and location. And it supports operational efficiency by helping teams act on the levers that matter most to unit cost. In short, this page acts as a strategic control center for manufacturing cost analysis and optimization. Production planning and scenario analysis page. Moving on to production planning and scenario analysis. This summary table provides a centralized side-by-side view of actual versus planning performance across every plant and process stage. Billi Steel Plant, JSW Dolvi, and Rourkela Steel Plant, each broken down into blast furnace, rolling mill, and steel melting shop. Metrics like total production cost, capacity utilization, and yield help teams see exactly where actual performance is tracking against plan, while throughput and downtime highlight operational execution at the process stage level. Cost per ton and energy cost per ton round out the financial comparison, showing where actual spend is diverging from target. With filters for version actual or planning, plant name, and process stage, users can drill into exactly the comparison that matters for their review. Overall, this summary table transforms production and cost data into a single actionable view, enabling faster planning decisions and tighter control over the gap between plan and reality. SAC also allows the export of data from individual charts or entire dashboards from SAP Analytics Cloud, ensuring that your data insights are easily shareable and accessible to your intended audience. It is a useful feature for sharing insights and reports with stakeholders who may not have direct access to SAC. We can export into Excel, then show and extract table data into Excel, and finally export the dashboard as a PDF. Overall, this summary table transforms production and cost data into a single actionable view, enabling faster planning decisions and tighter control over the gap between plan and reality.
For information on these dashboards, KPIs, or required features, please contact VASPP Technologies.